Let's see what we got today. Yes! Yes! What's going on, you guys? My name is Cisco and thank you for stopping by today. I have with me the new JAG Arms Scattergun models. These are actually really cool. First right here is going to be the longer breacher style shotgun. Right over here we have the sawed-off shotgun with wood furniture and the traditional 870 with wood furniture. So let's get into it. So some of the general features that are going to be going on here: full metal bodies. This one has polymer furniture, but the real wood on the breacher and or on the sawed-off and the full size, like I said before, they're going to be gas powered. Both of these are going to be filled through the grips here, straight through green gas or propane. What's cool about the full size wood version is they actually updated it so you can fill it directly through the stock, which is very interesting. The older style of these had the tank that you had to remove and fill, so I don't know what they did internally to change that out, but extra cool feature. Out of the box, they are going to come with these clear 30 round shotgun shells, but if you already own a TM style tri-shot shotgun or another JAG Arms Scattergun, their shells will work with these as well. So they are 3 round or 6 round shot bursts. So every time you pump the slide and pull the trigger, it's going to be either 3 or 6 round bursts, and it changes right behind the dust cover there, just like the TM style do. All 3 of these models are going to be shooting between 300 and 330 feet per second. Because I can't remember the prices, the pistol grip version is going to be retailing for $159.95. The sawed-off is going to be $179.95, and the full size is going to be the most expensive at $219.95. Stay still. All right, boys, I'm done filming. Let's just go shoot.
Hey, stop! There he goes again. I guess I'll have to pack everything myself.
I heard that, Boaz. Boaz, this isn't really fun. Let's do some fun stuff.
Dude, you can't just leave product on the floor like that.
I have a real shotgun. I'm tired of you. I will use it on you. Just Phil.
Well, to be honest, at this point,
you'd
be putting me out of my misery.
Skills, not your mouth. Loading. This one I'm just gonna slap fire.
Bruh.
Every single one of those. Oh god, it's so juicy. Loading. Where did that shell go? In my back pocket. That's where the shell goes. Oh god. I have a third shell just for you guys. Buzz, I'm sorry that you're getting sprayed with onion. Empty. Wow. Alright guys, just for you, the sawed off is gonna be on 6. Yeah, I shouldn't have to take more than 1 shot per, but if I do, I suck. I'm sorry. Oh! I guess I'm not manhandling it properly. There we go, last one. Whoa! Yeah, just that shell. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe for more content and ring the bell and to get notified of every time we upload a video. Yeah, it was a little bit different of a video. Boaz is filthy. He smells like an onion now. But thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
I'm gonna follow you home, Cisco.
I will be ready.
Bet.